tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. I just finished my workout. So the video that you guys are going to watch is how I count my calorie. I did not do an intro of that video. I just started vlogging, so I did not do an intro of that video. There is a scale Simply Noni got for me, and I use it to weigh the food I eat, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It also has an app that is on my phone as well. So it weighs the food you take. So I am on 1,500 calorie deficit. So I am checking out my calorie. So this scale will help you count how many calorie you take every day. But anyway, in a nutshell, I just want to introduce the vlog. I've already eaten breakfast anyway, so the clip, I was editing the video and I noticed that it does not have an intro. So that is why I am creating one now as I just finished my workout. I did a 12 minutes growing ananas and it was splendid. So I want to go and shower and yeah, there's nothing to do today. Today is Friday anyway. The video you guys will be watching is a video that happened yesterday, which was Thursday. But anyway, guys, that is life. As a YouTuber, as a content creator, like an event start happening in your life, you start creating the event, and when you're editing it, you find out that the video does not have an intro. You have to create an intro. That is what I'm doing right now. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Let me know in the comment section, are you on a calorie deficit, or what calorie deficit are you in? 2015. They said the women are supposed to have like 15 to 18 as a woman for calorie deficit. So I don't know where you are, but for me, I'm in 1,500 calorie deficit. Even though yesterday I did not finish the 1,500 calorie deficit. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Peace out. I want to go and back. $4.27. Z is water. So this cup, this water is 22.0. I don't know what I mean by that, but anyway. Guys, I'm still getting used to it. So this is my breakfast before I start my workout, and it's showing 337.5. Oh, this is OZ in gram. Let me remove it. Yeah, I'm still getting used to this thing. Why are you not going back? So I've put it back in gram, and I'm going to put my plate. So it's like 1,062 for this plus the plates.
It's fine, don't worry. Sit, everyone, sit down. See really good. Bro, you're having such a feast. Stop eating. Save some for later. Auntie, is there something wrong with him? What are you talking about? What's wrong with him? Look how handsome she is. You eat. What's up with him? Eating by himself.
Salad. This is it. Salad I'm eating, and this is it. 119 gram of salad. So I decided to be using rubber plate. Rubber plate does not have weight, so rubber plates will give you the accurate, like the the amount of the measurement of food you put inside your plate anyway, because rubber plate does not have weight. Rubber plate is weighing 90 something. So anyway, this is my food, and in my app I have like one something left to finish my 1500 calories for the day. This is how I calculate my calorie for the day. Like I am on 1500 calorie. So from my app now, it will show total calorie I have eaten, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I'm trying to, ever since Simply Noni gave me that scale, I have been using it to calculate my calorie. It's not easy. I am getting there. I am getting just little by little. I know I will perfect the perfection of counting your calories. I enjoyed this video. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share a bit of comment. As time goes on, I'll keep on showing you all how I get used to using the scale to cook every meal I am eating. Yes, guys. Madam is there. All right, besties. It's already night. Let me go and have my salad, and I'll take my shower and sleep. I'll see you all in my next video. Please stay subscribed for more amazing content like this. Like, share, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mia, say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.